Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where crazy machines and pure automotive madness come together, and today we are talking about one of the most extreme Lamborghinis ever created, the Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. This is not just a car, this is a statement, a rolling piece of carbon fiber art that looks like it escaped straight out of a sci-fi movie and landed on the road. The moment you see the Veneno Roadster, logic goes out the window. Everything about this car screams aggression, from the razor-sharp front splitter to the massive rear wing that looks more like something from a Le Mans prototype than a road car. Lamborghini didn't design the Veneno to be subtle, they designed it to shock, and even today, years after its launch, it still turns heads like almost nothing else on the planet. Every angle has a purpose, every vent and channel is there to control airflow and generate downforce, making the car stick to the road at insane speeds. Underneath all that dramatic bodywork sits a naturally aspirated V12 engine, the kind of engine we rarely see anymore. This V12 delivers brutal power, instant throttle response, and a sound that sends chills down your spine. No turbos, no filters, just pure mechanical violence. When you press the throttle, the Veneno doesn't politely accelerate, it attacks the road, pulling hard all the way to the red line with a scream that reminds you why Lamborghini's V12 engines are legendary. The Veneno Roadster is built on a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, and Lamborghini went crazy with weight reduction. Almost everything you see is carbon fiber, from the exterior panels to the interior details. Inside, it's raw and race-focused, with bucket seats, minimal luxury, and a cockpit that makes you feel like a fighter pilot. This car was never meant to be comfortable for long drives, it was built to deliver maximum adrenaline every single second. What really makes the Veneno Roadster special is its exclusivity. Only a handful were ever produced, making it one of the rarest Lamborghinis in the world. This level of rarity, combined with its outrageous design and V12 power, means prices have gone absolutely crazy in the collector market. The Veneno is not just a supercar, it's an investment, a trophy, and a symbol of Lamborghini pushing the limits without caring about rules or opinions. Driving the Veneno Roadster is not about daily usability or practicality. It's about emotion, drama, and that wild connection between man and machine. With the roof off, you experience the V12 soundtrack in its purest form, every gear change hitting hard, every acceleration run feeling like an event. It's loud, it's uncomfortable, and it's absolutely unforgettable. The Lamborghini Veneno Roadster represents a time when carmakers dared to be extreme just because they could. It's over the top, outrageous, and completely unnecessary, and that's exactly why we love it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Lamborghini's most insane creations, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to 91 Gearbox for more epic cars and automotive legends.